Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing Halloween stuff I bought at Lowe's. So this one's the touch activated lighted tree man. In the picture of it, it looks really cool. So hopefully, in reality, it looks really cool. And so far, from Haunted Hills, I'm sorry, Haunted Farm. Alright, so it's a very lightweight plastic. It has these foam branches coming out of the top. I'm not even going to unfold it anymore because I'm returning it. This is its hands. I think if you opened it up and used it, you get one season out of it or less. It goes on this whole pull system. You have to really anchor it into the ground. That's really it. It's just fabric, some foam up here, and the plastic. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Oh, this one's saying it's from Northlight, but I thought it was Haunted Farm. It looks like the same stuff though. Probably all made in the same Chinese factory. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. EG Scary out.